Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Steam application to latest version. I show you guys how to update Steam. Open up Steam first, click on Steam tab and select this option guys. Check for Steam client updates. Click on it. Checking for update guys. Now you can also view the patch notes over here. Steam client hotfix September 29. A new Steam client has been released and will be automatically downloaded. General fixed issue with art for some games not properly updating. A client restart may be required for some art changes to fully appear. Fix some DLC art displaying in the wrong language. This problem has been fixed in the new update guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.